In the past few weeks, I see many students practicing to prepare for mid-year exams. And when they are stuck, they tend to refer to solutions to solve the problem. But is referring to solutions really a good way to study for math? Hi students, Jack Ng from Achevas here. When you're solving higher level math problems, in our case H2 math, referring to solutions may not actually help you as much as you think. Of course, it varies from student to student, but I've seen enough cases where students even ended up worse off. Just so that we are clear, go ahead and look at answers all you want, but you should avoid looking at the full solutions too readily. You know why? Because with higher level math, one of the main aims of the syllabus is to get us become mature, independent thinkers. If you take a closer look, you'll notice that in certain situations, the instructional components that were usually present in secondary and primary school, they are intentionally left out. Let me give you an example. In O-level, an integration question can start off by asking students to first perform partial fractions and then solve the integral. But in A-level, a similar question can intentionally leave out the part on partial fractions, and students are supposed to formulate their own set of instructions when solving exactly the same integration question. The aim is to train an A-level student to piece puzzles together himself or herself. But if the solutions were referred to too quickly instead, it probably wouldn't be too tough for an A-level student to see that the logic of performing partial fraction can instantly fill that gap. Then henceforth, he or she may not realize that it is the process of independently thinking of the solution that is more important than the solution itself. So if you have the habit of referring to solutions, the moment you get stuck, the solutions may instantly plug the instructional components that were intentionally left out, but it will also give you this false sense of overcoming the problem when in fact no pathway of independent thinking has been formed. I hope I have convinced you that this is super dangerous. And for such questions, it isn't just understanding the logic behind the work solution, but more importantly, your ability to navigate your way out that matters. Long story short, my suggestion is that when you get stuck, resist that urge to peep at the solutions too readily. Instead, you should refer to your school's notes, check out the theory outlines on Achevas TV and all those videos on Achevas TVs also, and maybe even reverse engineer your way from the answers. You will find that these are the true sources of inspiration that can help to clue you in instead of doing that work for you. Try it out as you practice your H2 math questions and let me know what you think. You won't see a huge improvement overnight, but keep on keeping on. You will find that this way of doing things will build you up and also makes learning math all the more rewarding. Appreciate the thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and let's continue to learn better.